Here we are at the Tesla Supercharger station at Cross Iron Mills Mall, and you can see that there are 8 stalls here, and each stall is marked by a number, and depending on where you park, that might dictate how fast your charging goes. Hi everyone, I'm Tony, and in this video I'll show you everything you need to know about charging an electric vehicle and show you how I charge my Tesla. So this fancy outlet here is called a level 1 charger, and it is just the standard 110 volt household or garage outlet. And it is no different than the type of outlet that you would use to plug in a toaster or charge your smartphone, and you can actually use this outlet to charge your own Tesla vehicle. Level 2 chargers are often found in public places like parking spots or malls and can also be installed in your own home. These provide 240 volts of power similar to an electric dryer or an oven. Level 3 chargers are also known as DC fast chargers and come in a variety of shapes and sizes depending on the third-party company. These typically provide 480 volts and can charge a car from 0 to 80% in approximately 40 minutes. Level 3 chargers for Tesla vehicles are known as Tesla Superchargers and are also built as 480 volts. The current Tesla Superchargers known as V1 and V2 can supply up to 150 kilowatts of power. This can charge a vehicle from 0% to 80% in roughly 40 minutes. In 2019, Tesla started providing V3 Superchargers, which can provide up to 250 kilowatts of power. This is the V3 Supercharger at the Link Hotel in Las Vegas. Alright, so here we are at the Tesla Supercharger station in Cross Iron Mills Mall. You can see that there are 8 stalls here, and each stall is marked by a number. So it's very important you pay attention to the number because that can also dictate how fast your car charges. So currently there are 4 Tesla vehicles here, and you can see they're all spaced apart so that they're leaving a space in between them. And this actually helps the car charge faster because when 2 cars are in a slot adjacent to each other, they're actually sharing the power between the both of them. The superchargers are built such that every pair of stalls will share 150 kilowatts between the 2 cars parked in them. So it's important to take note of this so that you can park away from another vehicle to maximize your charging efficiency. The supercharger station is very simple to use. Before I got a Tesla, I thought you had to interact with the machine, put in a credit card or do something with it. But it's actually so simple. You just remove the charger and plug it into your car and that's it. So we just plugged the charging cable on and you can see it's starting to charge there. The kilowatts are increasing and the rate of charging is also increasing as well. You can see it says high usage supercharger station, charging limit set to 80%, adjust limit if needed, and that's just to get people to get their cars moving so that they don't occupy the spots here. The other way to do that is to have idle fees, which every supercharger station has as well. So normally the supercharger stations can charge up to 150 kilowatts, but if you are parked adjacent to another vehicle, which I am not, you can experience a reduction in that to about half the amount of power. So in order to track your charging progress while you're doing whatever it is, besides sitting in your car, you can open the Tesla app. And here it's showing that the battery is now 27% charged and there is 2 hours remaining to get to the set limit. And to adjust the limit or see what the limit is, you can just click on the charging menu and you can see right now I've adjusted it to about a 90% charge and it's charging at 150 kilometers per hour. When your charging session is complete, you'll get a pop-up notification on your phone telling you to please remove your vehicle, otherwise idle fees may begin accruing after 5 minutes. A quick tip to avoid idle fees is to go back into the Tesla app, click on charging, and use the slider to increase the charging limit to 95 or 100%. Charging will then resume momentarily, and you can use this extra few minutes to finish your shopping or use the washroom before you have to get to your vehicle and remove it from the charging station. Back home in my garage, I've been using the standard outlet to charge my Tesla, which provides about 8 kilometers per hour. Over a 12-hour period, I get about 96 kilometers, which is more than my average daily commute. Finally, I want to share with you a very useful website called PlugShare that maps all the different EV charging stations all across North America. It has user reviews and also trip planning features too. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, hit that subscribe button and the like button below. See you next time.